Clove water for hair growth, myth or miracle? From TikTok to Instagram, clove water for hair growth has become a viral beauty hack. But does this humble kitchen spice truly hold the power to transform your hair, or is it just another passing trend? Today, we dive deep into the facts, the history, and the science to finally answer clove water for hair growth, myth or miracle. Segment 1. The ancient allure. Why clove? Cloves have always been more than just a spice. For centuries, they've been treasured not only for their flavor, but also for their role in traditional medicine and beauty rituals. Ancient cultures used clove oils for skin, for healing, and even as perfumes. Fast forward to today, and clove water is making a comeback, thanks to social media. But the question is, are we rediscovering a hidden treasure, or are we getting caught up in internet hype? Segment 2. The Science Scoop. What's actually in clove? Let's talk science. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. They're also packed with flavonoids and antioxidants, which help fight free radicals. So what does this mean for your hair? In theory, these compounds could improve scalp health by reducing irritation or dandruff, provide antioxidant protection for hair follicles, enhance shine and strength. But here's the catch. While cloves have proven medicinal benefits, there's little to no large-scale clinical research directly linking clove water to faster hair growth. Most of what we see online is anecdotal real stories, yes, but not always scientifically verified. Segment 3. Real talk, application, and expectations. So, how are people actually using clove water? The trend usually involves boiling whole cloves in water, letting it cool, and then applying it to the scalp as a rinse or spray. Now, here's what you should know before trying. Safety matters. Cloves are strong. Overuse can cause scalp irritation, dryness, or even burns if the mixture is too concentrated. Realistic results. Don't expect overnight hair growth miracles. What clove water may do is improve scalp circulation, reduce dandruff, and give your hair more shine. Pitfalls: using it too often or not rinsing it out properly can cause buildup or irritation. Balance is key. Segment 4. Expert insight. Demystifying the miracle. So, what do experts say? Dermatologists and trichologists often remind us that true hair growth depends on genetics, nutrition, hormones, and scalp health, not just one topical remedy. That said, cloves do have properties that may support a healthier scalp environment, which indirectly supports hair growth. But they're not a magic bullet. The internet often sells us miracles, but science calls for balance. And that's where clove water sits, not a hoax, not a miracle, but a possible aid in your overall routine. Segment 5. Your hair, your choice. Is clove water for you? So here's the verdict. Myth. If you expect clove water to make your hair grow inches overnight, yes, that's a myth. Miracle. If you're looking for a natural, inexpensive rinse that may boost scalp health and shine, then yes, it can feel like a small miracle. The key takeaway: if you want to try clove water, do it safely, don't overdo it, and always listen to your body. And most importantly, consult a dermatologist if you're experiencing real hair loss, because sometimes the root cause goes far beyond hair products. At the end of the day, your hair journey is personal. Clove water might be one piece of the puzzle, but true growth comes from a combination of good nutrition, scalp care, and consistency. Have you tried clove water for your hair? Did it work for you or not at all? Share your experience in the comments, because your story could help someone else. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next evidence-based beauty and wellness deep dive here on Health and Wellness Integrated Services.